Just 1 second, guys. How's it going? Peter, Ehab, John, Saddle, Vincent. What's up? What's up? Kelly, Brad. How's everybody doing tonight? All right, all right. What's up, Pats, my brother? Now, where'd my comments go? Why does it do that to me? There we go. Still. Justin, you're not getting alerts on your iPhone, on your phone? Check your notifications, man. Yeah, check your notifications on your phone. And you may have to go, you may need to go to, oh, it's driving me berserko. Why does it keep doing that? You may have to go, am I on there? Yeah. You may have to go here on your phone and hold in, you right click on a PC and it'll come up notification settings. You want to switch, you want to do it on all messages. I won't be blowing you up. I don't post that much. But switch it over to, you may have to do it on your phone and your PC. Depends, and might depend. It might depend on the notification settings, like the main notifications on your phone. Also, just check. You might want to check those. Give me just a second, guys. I'm watching Suey a little bit here, trying to pick up a little here and there. Okay. All right. Let's see here. Where does my got echo on my audio? Is everybody else okay? Somebody said that the other day. I don't know if it's. Oh, okay, Pats. Got you. Stevenson, how are you, brother? Notifications are good. I was just getting them to recently. Huh. Okay, I got you, brother. Brad. So, Justin, I don't know, man. I may have to turn them off and then turn them back on. Like maybe, Hell, I don't know. They switched something today on the Discord, so I have to. I go and at myself, and supposedly that everybody that follows me will get that alert or notification as long as I at myself. So that's why I was doing that test post earlier. I don't have a big bunch of time today, but I still wanted to hop on a few minutes and look at today's setup. There's some support here. 584, 582. Some pretty good support. Especially this 582.80 level right here. Going over to Webull, I just wanted to check out the plays that we got today and where we should have entered and all that good stuff right quick. So I may not get a bunch of I got you, Justin. I may not get a bunch of questions tonight, but I should be with Josh again on VIP tomorrow, and you can always tag me in Discord and ask a question if you got a question. But I got to keep it a little bit quick tonight. So we go into the 5 minute here. And these first, it feels like it's chopped, man, because it's so slow sometimes to move while you're in a trade. You're like, oh, I wish this would drop. I wish this would fly. But really immediately, we set our morning market structure the way we set it, and I've been teaching this every day. So, we take these first 3 5-minute candles. Yeah, it's a really simple method that we're using. And we put a mark. Take your lines, horizontal line on the top of the high of these 3 and the low of these 3. That's setting our morning structure. And we're trading off a structure, guys. So another thing I have to have is I have to be under VWAP or over VWAP to start getting into a trade here. I want to say we got a put off of this early. Wasn't a huge win. I think I got kicked out once or twice right here. And it's always a little shaky early in the morning. It's hard to stay in a trade and really believe in it early. But I wanted to, we were in the right direction, the right path. And what was confirming was this RSI coming down and this MACD pointing down with us. So it was giving us some signals to come down. It was just shaky waters through here. It had some wicks, and it's going to have some wicks. But we all did pretty decent on these. If they started to watch you on Discord and YouTube, that would be a big... Yeah, Brad, that's what it was. Yep. That's what the audio was. So these puts paid, but they were a little bit choppy, I will say. Even on a 10 minute, you go to the 5. Once this candle broke under VWAP, this one wicked up pretty hard back into structure and barely closed under our levels. So I was a little hesitant because this wasn't much of a candle to tell me, there just wasn't enough closing here. But this one here confirmed we were under VWAP, under the 9, under our market structure. That gave us the go-ahead, guys, to get into these puts. Few people got, I think, 20 and 30% this morning, so they paid pretty good. You could have took this on this candle closing. It was a little risk, but you could have. 590, 590.90 was a good entry. You would have got this whole candle, and that was enough. That was a whole point on that one candle. Now, if you wanted to stay in the trade, you had to ride this one back up, and it really wicked all the way back. About gave everything back. So if I get a whole point on a candle, I'm probably taking it. And if you stayed in this trade, we got a lot of sideways action here. It was hard to do it. You could have re-entered on the 9 because that's my trend, and took this candle here on down. You got some of this one too. This was a good put play up to right here. Okay. So we got this reversal right here, and we didn't catch it. Somebody may have, but I didn't catch it. And when we got this reversal, if you look pretty close, we really barely cleared VWAP. And then at this point, we're going to a higher time frame to get some confirmation, guys. That's what I got to do. So MACD was pretty flat. It was a hard decision to have got into this trade. But on the 5 minute, on the lower time frame, right here's where we got a double bottom. It was hard to take this trade except for we were playing structure, okay? This candle wouldn't break it. This candle wouldn't break it. And it started forming, and then I drew us a little diagram here to see if we were going to get a run up off this double bottom, and sure enough we did. And we took this one over 100% today. Now, I posted this before I got off the live, and it basically repeated itself just on a higher time frame. I don't know if anybody else took it later in the day, but I made this purple drawing before we got off the live. And as long as this low was holding, it was good for another call. And if anybody took it, you would probably run another 100%er. But you could have took risk here pretty much all day until it broke it. And it didn't break it until after hours. So right now, I'm going to call $583.50 is my support, guys. So mark that on your chart. John, in pre-market structure, yeah, we did. In morning market structure, was tight. Morning market structure was these two up here. So when we fell out of it, that was the signal for puts. And see, we came back and retested the bottom of it 2 times and got denied. So this was a good put entry here. It was a good put entry here. Confirmation, to me, would have to be on a smaller time frame to get into this, other than if you were buying structure. And sometimes on a range day, I will buy structure, and I will use the volume profile on TradingView for that. It's called Session Volume Profile. And guys, if you'll look, it marked your highs. This is on TradingView. This is what I'll use. It's the 5 minute. Let me put on extended hours. Okay, there we go. So it basically marked these 2 white lines, value area high, value area low. It marked your trades all day for you. It's a pretty nice indicator. This is a good range day indicator. And the more we go, the more we do these guys and stuff, I'm going to go over this volume profile with you. But I use it on TradingView. I don't have any more comments. Okay. I use it on TradingView quite a bit. Webull doesn't have the same volume profile. It only has one setting and it moves, so I'm not crazy about it. But over here on TradingView, it's called the Session Volume Profile. And I've done a video or two on it if you go back and look at any, but you just click on your settings, mark in value area high, value area low, POC. Under style, you can screenshot this right fast. And then I change these colors to whatever color you want. I just do white and blue because it stands out good. And if you're not breaking the value area high after about 10:30 or the low, then you buy the range. And that's how it's set up. It's pretty good, pretty easy, pretty simple method of trading. You're just buying low, selling high, buying high, selling low. Okay? Gene, I'm sorry I have to get off. You can go back and watch the video though. We just went over the trade setups today, and right now my low 583.50 is, I'll be looking for puts under this tomorrow, and I'll list my levels again in the morning. But unfortunately, I don't have any more time tonight. I just wanted to hop on and check the ranges and check our trades for the day. We had some good bangers today, and I'll be on with Josh in the VIP tomorrow. Okay. I appreciate the crap out of everybody. Had a great day. I've streamed a lot today, several hours, so I'm tired. And all right, guys. All right. So the lows tomorrow we're looking is 583.50. We're gonna take into consideration puts under it. Let's go to 1 hour one time. And if we start getting under I'm going to turn this off. $5.84. Got some pretty decent support right here. Got some pretty decent support here at 582.50. There's some good structure here at 582.50. So I'll be watching that for a bounce tomorrow. This is on the 1 hour. Let's put on extended hours for a second. Yeah, we're probably going to come down and touch this 582.50. We're going to see what pre-market does in the morning. John, thank you, man. Appreciate you guys. Remember, if you want to support me, you can click on my link on my channel. You can unsub and resub under me. And I've got a little pressure on me right now. I'm trying to make this my job, so I appreciate every bit of support, guys, and got a few cool surprises. Hopefully next week we'll get to announce it, okay? Anybody needing extra help. So we're gonna wrap it up for today. 583.50, guys. Watch that level tomorrow, and we'll see what pre-market does in the morning, and then we'll make a little bit better assumptions of what kind of moves we'll get, okay? Thanks, John. Thanks, Kelly, Cheryl, Brad. Thank you, man. Sean, thanks. I'll be got from earlier tomorrow. I'm going to try to same respect. I feel you, John. Hey, I feel you, man. Yeah, they were high today. They were high. All right, guys. All right, everybody have a good night. Get some rest. We'll do it again tomorrow. Maybe we'll get another 100%er tomorrow. You never know. I'll be good with 20s and 30s. Every now and then we get those home runs, okay? All right, guys. What did I just do? Oh, there we go. Thanks, Stevenson. BK. Justin, thanks, man. All right, we'll see you guys in the morning. Peace.